Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, then welcome. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope that you enjoy my videos and will consider subscribing. And today's video is going to be a power hour clean with me, and it is a collaboration with a bunch of different girls. Some of them I have already collaborated with before and we've become friends, and then others I'm just now getting the opportunity to collaborate with them, and I'm super excited about it because they are all wonderful. They have amazing content on their channels, so definitely make sure to go watch all of their videos when you get done watching mine. I'll have a link in the description box so that you can go check them out. But we are also doing a giveaway over on our Instagram accounts for $150 in gift cards to Target, because we know Black Friday's coming up and Christmas, and we are hoping that whoever the winner is, it'll be really helpful for the Christmas season to be able to buy something for some of the people you love, or even yourself. If you need to purchase a good Christmas gift for yourself, of course you can do that. But definitely head over to my Instagram account. It's amy.darley, and you can enter there to win the gift cards. So really quick, I'm just going to insert a little clip here of all of the different girls that are participating in this giveaway, so you can go check out all of their channels and their Instagram accounts so that you can win those Target gift cards. But the first person that is kind of hosting this whole giveaway, she put it all together, is Katie Satilli, and we recently did a collaboration. She's super sweet. And then the next one is Lauren Midgley, and we have become really good friends, and I'm super excited about doing it with her. And then Kristen Casper, who I have never done a collaboration with, but I have been watching her videos for a long time, and I absolutely love her. She has a really cute little family, and she does lots of vlogs. And then Danielle Nichols, and she also does a lot of really cute vlogs on her channel, and her and Kristen are good friends, and so I know I've seen them in videos together. And then Adeline Zook, who I am new to, but she has a really cute channel, lots of really good content, and it's similar to mine, so definitely go check out all of these wonderful women, and don't forget to subscribe to them. And then also go check out their pages on Instagram and follow them over there and enter our giveaway. Alright, so for this power hour, I made myself a little list. I have already done like my daily cleaning routine, so I don't have to do any of that stuff, but I wanted to give myself an hour to get things done that I don't normally get done, or I kind of put it in order by like things that I need to get done, and then a few things at the bottom that I would like to get done, but if the hour is up and I'm not able to finish everything, then I'm okay with that. I have some other things that I need to do besides cleaning today, so I'm only giving myself an hour, and whatever gets done, that's all that I'm doing today. So I'm gonna show you guys my list really quick. Okay, so this is the list that I created, and the first thing I want to do is go through all of Gracie June's clothes and kind of sort out the ones that are too small, the ones that we need to get rid of, and all of that. And then I need to wash our clothes from our trip this weekend. That's these over here in my suitcase. That's my husband's suitcase. So I'm gonna wash those clothes because we went to a wedding for my cousin. And then I want to put up our Halloween decor because we are getting ready to start decorating for Christmas. And then if I have time, then I'll do these other little tasks so I can get ahead for the week. But I'm just gonna clean the kids' rooms, just kind of dust in there, and vacuum upstairs and vacuum downstairs and mop. That's if I have time. I mean, that's a lot of stuff to get done in an hour, so we will see what all I get done. Okay, so I have decided to go ahead and start with the laundry first, just because I like to fold my laundry after I eat lunch, and so this will give my laundry plenty of time to wash and dry before I eat. For my laundry detergent, I always use the Mrs. Meyer's and the honeysuckle scent, and I also use this for my fabric softener. Y'all let me know what kind of laundry detergent you guys use in the comments below. Now I'm moving on to Gracie June's room, and I'm gonna do her clothes, but I decided to go ahead and make up the bed just because I wanted to use her bed to dump all the clothes out and organize. And my kids usually do make up their own beds. I make them do it when we get home and after they have done homework during the week, just because we are rushing out of the door in the mornings and they get as part of their chores. But on the days that I actually clean their rooms, I will go ahead and make up their beds just because I like to see a finished product. Now I'm just going through her drawers and figuring out which clothes are too small to wear for her now, so I'm just going to donate those, and then the ones that she can keep, I will put back in the drawers. Okay, so this is the pile of just summer clothes and things that I was gonna get rid of, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dump this bag out. We get hand-me-downs from a friend of mine, so I'm going through all the bag clothes that she gave me and sorting out which ones I want to keep, which ones I want to donate, and sorting out whether they would fit her now or if I need to put them up for next year.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna.
So this is a basket that I actually had from clothes that she donated to me last year, and I put those up because they were too big for her. So now I'm going through to see which ones will fit her now, and I'm going to put those in the drawers, and then the ones that are still too big will go back into the basket and stay in the closet until she can wear them.
But I told you so.
Okay, now I'm putting all the ones that we are going to donate into this bag, and I'm going to make sure to get them to someone who can actually use them. I'm not going to take them to Goodwill, but there's lots of people in the church that could use some clothes for their little girls.
Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes, so change your heart. Your walls, 5 feet underground now.
And now I'm going to go through her pajama drawer really quick, just because she did get a lot of hand-me-down pajamas, and so I figured I could go ahead and take some other pajamas out of the drawer and donate those as well.
But I told you so.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rooms upstairs, the kids' rooms, just because I'm already up here. So I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner to clean off the mirror, and then I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Spray, and this is the peppermint scent. I told you guys about this in a previous video. This is one of the holiday scents, and I am loving it. They have two other ones. They have Isle of Pine and then Orange Clove that you can also choose from. But I do have a link for some free Mrs. Meyer's products if you've never ordered from Grove before and you want to get you some. I highly recommend it, but if you're gonna do it, then you need to order quick because they usually sell out of all the holiday scents.
Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said what I told you.
Now I'm moving on to Kaysen's room and making up the dreaded bunk bed. I'm gonna make up the bottom and then the top. Nobody ever sleeps up on the top, but they do get up there and play often. The girls will usually go up there and play with their stuffed animals and all and completely mess up the bunk bed up top, and so I'm just gonna make that up. While we were gone over the weekend for my cousin's wedding, my sweet mother-in-law kept my kids and did a load of laundry for me. So she put those up here and I'm so grateful for her. So I'm just putting these up now and I'm happy that I didn't have to actually fold them and do all of it myself.
And we won't ever get enough. They don't know. They don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Babe, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave.
So now I only have 11 minutes left, so I'm gonna run downstairs and go ahead and vacuum the downstairs because it desperately needed it, and see what I can get done as far as that goes.
Top of our lungs, we gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock.
So while I was vacuuming, my timer did end up going off and I did not get to mopping or putting up the Halloween decor, but I figured maybe I'll do that in another video where I take down my decorations and do like a clean and decorate with me. But after I got done vacuuming, I went ahead and put the load of laundry into the dryer, and I'm gonna fold those after I get done eating lunch, but that's not part of my power hour, so you won't see that. I hope you guys enjoyed this power hour with me and got some motivation to get some stuff done around your own house. Definitely let me know if it encouraged you, or if you have any plans to do anything fun today or clean or whatever it is on your to-do list. I love knowing that and hearing what you guys are doing on a day-to-day basis. But make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new, and go on over to Instagram to enter to win those Target gift cards. I know anybody could use those right now. And then don't forget to check out the other girls' channels and their videos for some more cleaning motivation. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
You and me, we shiny